Introducing first, out of the blue corner, training out of Dona Tongche, with a fight record of 26-0. Representing Myanmar, Thuy Linh Thanh! And introducing his opponent, out of the red corner, training out of Chit Mung Non Gym, representing Thailand, Gan Chai!
Okay, guys, you both understand the rules. Listen to me at all times and take yourselves at all times. You want to touch gloves? Touch gloves now, give up.
This crowd is getting rowdy here inside the Madison Square Garden of the East. These fighters are fighting for a potential $100,000 contract and a ticket to the world's largest martial arts organization. And immediately, Gan Chai starts to let go of the weapons that he is known for. That's those kicks, carrying his hands dangerously low, Brian.
Wow, not what I expected guard-wise from Gan Chai, but he's a beautiful, technical fighter, amazing kicking game. Thuy Linh Thanh, on the other hand, an absolute nightmare, a monster in the ring who will just continuously move forward no matter how hard he is and smash with those cement fists.
I think the hands are kind of Gan Chai's way of drawing in Thuy Linh Thanh, so he exposes himself so he can find that counter shot with the high kick. No respect for the hands of Thuy Linh Thanh. And he needed it because Thuy Linh Thanh just tattooed him.
Wow, the crowd is going wild, Mitch.
That right hand, Brian, now the hands come up as Thuy Linh Thanh marches forward into the clinch.
Taunting is risky business. Sometimes it pays off, sometimes it does not. Both of these guys shouldering the pride of their countries and their fighting styles. You can cut the tension with a knife.
It's rowdy inside this epic arena as Thuy Linh Thanh tries for a headlock takedown as referee Ricky Sewell separates.
Thuy Linh Thanh wants to brawl, Mitch. He wants to smash, pull the head down, make this thing ugly. Gan Chai, it was so risky keeping the hands low. He ate a big shot, and another big shot there. He needs to be really careful. No need to needlessly eat these punches from a man whose fists are literally forged in steel.
Gan Chai getting forced back again. Tries the jumping knee, but beautiful timing on the right hand for Thuy Linh Thanh. He puts his entire body weight behind that right hand as he lunges forward. Accurate. Oh, there's that uppercut we were talking about, Brian. Another one. Big right hand follows up with a left hook. Walks right through that high kick. Tries to take out the ring lights with that big old uppercut. Oh, rattled the jaw right there of Gan Chai. And he's switching stances too. Is Thuy Linh Thanh. Southpaw to orthodox, keeping Gan Chai guessing as his quarterman hoists him into the air, much to the delight of this jam-packed crowd, Brian.
Thuy Linh Thanh doing a great job of mixing the punches up, throwing shots to the body, the uppercut, like you said, marching in with his punches, switching stances, a bit unorthodox, hard to read. That's that Let Way style. Gan Chai playing with fire with the hands low. You can hear the crowd chanting. They are so into the action, and so are we. If there is one thing that you do, if you have one bucket list, you've got to come to Lumpini.
It's wild inside this epic building, Brian. Thuy Linh Thanh, chants ring out through the air, piercing through this high-tension atmosphere. big knockdown in the first round. One Friday fight. Only the best of the best are invited to one. And if you want to get there, you've got to show up and show off. Tway Lin Tet fighting with some urgency as this crowd pushes him forward. Gancaya trying to unload a big right hand as they trade kicks. Tway Lin Tet says, come on, Gancaya, bring it.
Tway Lin Tet more than happy to engage in fisticuffs in the center of the ring. Gancaya landing kicks, but it's so hard to hurt these fighters from Myanmar. Gancaya there taking a kick high. That's a beautiful tactic. I'd like to see him mixing the jab and some punches. Elbows through, clashing in the middle. Are these two here?
Gancaya has thrown caution to the wind and says, let's go. Good body kick, landed by Gancaya. Push kick disrupts the balance of Tway Lin Tet. Gancaya continues to push forward. Goes up top, follows up with a big left hand. Gancaya is finding a new gear, Brian.
Both fighters so energized by the crowd. The fans yelling for Tway Lin Tet, screaming for Gancaya every time he lands a kick. So much on the line here. So much pride, so much tradition and honor. Another big.
Such a night here on Friday Fights. And these guys can just feel it. The atmosphere is reaching fever pitch. Looks like he was wobbled, Brian. Looks like he was hurt. Momentarily stumbled was Tway Lin Tet as Gancaya continues to march forward, throwing that vicious high kick.
Gancaya continuing to chip away with the kicks, mixing in the left hook, finding a chink in the armor of Tway Lin Tet, as impossible as it may seem. Hurting the fighter from Myanmar there momentarily. Timing now. Every time Tway Lin Tet steps in on a punch, eating a kick from Gancaya. The technique from Gancaya starting to pay dividends, but a big front kick there from Tway Lin Tet sends Gancaya to the mat.
The timing of that push kick, Brian, is really something special. He's caught him with it twice. And they start swinging for the fences. Tway Lin Tet still looks composed and very relaxed in this chaotic environment. Gancaya answers the call.
Tway Lin Tet, body hunting, look at the body snatch with those shots downstairs on Gancaya. Gancaya scoring big points with kicks off the back foot. Tway Lin Tet paying very little mind to those shots though and marching forward. There, beautiful kicks. Gancaya going upstairs, following with the left hook. There, a clean left landing. Great shot selection from Gancaya here. Tway Lin Tet taking the front kick up to the face. Counter left there, landing flush. Both of these guys doing great work. Strong first round for Tway Lin Tet. Strong second round for Gancaya. I think it comes down to the third round here, Mitch.
Third and final round. Tway Lin Tet might be up with that knockdown that he got in the first, but that second round was much better for Gancaya. Gancaya realizes he might need a knockout. He wants, oh, that was a beautiful high kick too. Tway Lin Tet ate that.
Gancaya demonstrating why he is a Muay Thai kicking specialist. Beautiful timing, landing the left hand, more and more on the right, over the top. Tway Lin Tet answering with elbows on the inside. Neither one of these guys wanting to give up an inch, and another big front kick. Unleashed by the fighter from Myanmar.
Tway Lin Tet's doing a beautiful job of the timing that push kick. It's really a great way to shut down the kicking game, or at least disrupt Gancaya from throwing those high kicks.
Absolutely, Mitch. Disrupt is the perfect way to describe what that front kick does. Toilentet launching in on the right hand. Gonchai with the counter shot. There, another kick. A slip though. Toilentet there.
Follows that big right hand into the clinch. Gonchai, Toilentet, putting it all out there. Trying to leave it all inside the squared circle, inside Lupini. Going to the body. Looks like he caught that one on the arm. Toilentet looks for the uppercut again. A little bit of dirty boxing for the fighter from Myanmar. As Gonchai rips to the body.
Gonchai doing great work with the left hand in tight. Guard to guard, ripping the left to the body. He's done great work with the kick there as well. The left kick sneaking upstairs every now and then. Toilentet struggling to deal with those continuous lefts, but finding a knee up the middle along the ropes.
I like that step-off hook to the body that Gonchai's throwing. Great job of just creating a little bit of angle, opening up the body to rip to the solar plexus. Toilentet frames up the head, fires in the left hand. Referee Ricky Stuhl getting some work here in the third round. As Gonchai can't find the kick. Goes up top, takes on the forearms, does Toilentet. Good job by Gonchai to follow it up with the left hook.
Toilentet marching forward, letting the elbows go, and the knees along the ropes. 20 seconds left. Gonchai with an elbow of his own. Both of these guys using everything in the gas tank. Toilentet continuing to march forward. Gonchai with the counter hook. The action along the ropes.
Toilentet waved to the fans inside the clinch. That's how much he's enjoying the atmosphere here inside Lupini. Toilentet, Gonchai go the full 3 rounds in a highly entertaining battle.
Win or lose, both these guys left it all in the ring. What a matchup. Just like we said, Mitch, we knew this was going to be a clash of styles. It's a clash of honor, representing their countries as well. Elbows, fists. Gonchai doing a great job with that left hook there in the third round. Here, Toilentet landing some punches of his own. The elbow over the top, but then eating the counter hook. So much back and forth. Each fighter showing they have an answer for the other's attacks. All coming down to this moment right here. Let's toss it up to Nara for the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of battle, we turn now to the judges' scorecards. Your winner, by way of majority decision, Toilentet!
Wow! Toilentet picking up the majority decision. The crowd is on their feet. What a matchup, what a show. Toilentet on the shoulders of his corner man. Obviously elated with the decision victory here. Let's toss it off to Mitch.
Toilentet getting a big victory. That was an epic performance. You left it all out there. It looked like you were having a lot of fun. How you feel?
วันนี้เราอยู่กับผู้ชนะของเราพูลินเทนนะครับก็เป็นการต่อสู้ที่สนุกสุดมันจริงๆแล้วก็เป็นการสู้ที่สนุกจริงๆแล้วจริงๆต้องยอมรับนะครับก็เป็นสิ่งที่อยากจะถามเขาว่าเขารู้สึกยังไงบ้างครับကျွန်တော်ဒီပွဲမှာထိုးဖိရတဲ့ပွဲဖိပါတယ်ဒါမှကျွန်တော်အရန်ပြောဒီလိုမျိုးတကယ်လို့အလဲမထိုးဖိရင်လဲဒီတိုင်းအမနဲ့နိုင်ပါလဲကျင်နာတယ်အားလုံးပရိသတ်ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်ကျွန်တော်အားပေးတဲ့ပရိသတ်
I want to say thank you to the fans who support and came in here, and actually I want to win, and this is the result how I did, and if I cannot make knockout, but I did it.
ครับผมตัวเขาเองเขารู้สึกดีมากๆนะครับผมที่ได้มาเปิดตัวในรายการของเราที่นี่ครับผมตัวเขาเองนะครับดีใจที่ชนะครับแต่ความจริงแล้วเนี่ยอยากชนะน็อกเอาท์แต่ไม่เป็นไรครับเขาเองชนะได้ครับ
Well, you might not have got the knockout, but you did get 350,000 baht from Chatri Sinyotong.
ไม่ชนะน็อกไม่เป็นไรนะครับคุณชาติบอกหมดได้350,000ครับ
ก็ကျွန်တော်အရန်ပြောရတယ်အခုလုတ်ပေးတဲ့ဟိုအားလုတ်ပွဲတွေတွေ့လဲကျွန်တော်ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်ဒီလိုဘောနရသွားတော့ကျွန်တော်အရန်ဝင်သားတော့
I'm so happy right now, and I don't know how to say with the words, but I want to say thank you to Mr. Chatri. Thank you.
เขาบอกตัวเขาเองครับรู้สึกดีใจมากๆเลยครับพูดไม่ออกเลยจริงๆอยากจะขอขอบคุณคุณชาติมากๆครับ
Thank you for a very fun fight. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for your winner, Twin Lin Tan!